Can you find this shaded area? Suppose we have two circles touching each other and suppose this point is A, this point is B, and center of this circle is P, and center of this circle is Q, and suppose radius of this circle is A and radius of this circle is B, then PQ it will be A plus B, and PA is radius, QB is radius, and radius is perpendicular on tangent, and also PA is A and QB is B, and from point Q, if we make a perpendicular on PA, suppose this point is M, then MA it will be equal to QB, that is B. So PM is PA minus MA, and PA is A minus MA is B. So PM is A minus B, and now AB it will be equal to MQ, and MQ is root under PQ squared minus PM squared, and it is root under PQ is A plus B squared minus PM is A minus B squared, and it is root under A squared plus B squared plus 2AB minus A squared plus B squared minus 2AB, and it is root under A squared plus B squared plus 2AB minus A squared minus B squared plus 2AB, and A squared will get cancelled, B squared will get cancelled, so it is root under 2AB plus 2AB, that is root under 4AB, that will be 2 times root AB, we get AB is 2 times root AB, so suppose the radius of this circle is X, and suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, then AB it will be AC plus BC, and AB it is 2 times root AB, and A is 9, B is 4, and AC is 2 times root A is 9, B is X, plus BC is 2 times root A is X, B is 4, and it is 2 times 3 times 2, it's 2 times 3 times root X plus 2 times root X times 2, and 2 will get cancelled, so 6, it is 3 root X plus 2 root X, and 6 is 5 root X, so root X is 6 divided by 5, and X is 36 divided by 25. Now, shaded area is pi times x squared, that will be pi times 36 over 25 squared, and it will be 1296 over 625 pi